if you're a Christian, every other word doesn't disinvite you, you know? If you want to live in this world of alternative ag, you're going to live with a lot of folks who think you're the enemy. And this is not one of those settings. So thank you.
You don't have to have a business in the homestead niche or the farming niche or even in a sideline for this information to apply to you, right? You know,
we want to offer a credible alternative to prove to the world that we don't need a single factory farm in the entire world. Okay?
You know, we always talk about women being at home, but the Industrial Revolution took men away from home. And, you know, we were all home at one point working the farm. And
many of our modern problems flow out of the Industrial Revolution fracturing the nature of a household.